Hello, welcome back guys to Spotify channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off Analyze content in Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your Outlook applications first if you have it. But if you don't have it, you just have to open it by the web, yeah guys. You just have to go to the Outlook web from the Google. And now here, just go to your account icon at the top left in the corner. After, go to the gear icon at the bottom, which is the settings. In the settings, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find the option which is privacy settings. Just go ahead. And now in this privacy settings, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the Analyze content. If you wanna turn it off, you just have to tap on the button beside Analyze content, I guess. I'm gonna tap on it one time and it will be turned off. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.